Are you looking for the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, premium luxury, and thrilling performance? Look no further than the 2025 Volvo XC90. A stunning SUV designed to turn heads and elevate your driving experience. The 2025 XC90 boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that commands attention on the road. But it's not just about looks. Volvo has engineered this SUV to deliver a smooth and engaging drive with 3 distinct engine options to suit different driving styles. The base model comes with a 247 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, striking a great balance between power and fuel efficiency. If you're looking for an extra punch, the mid-level trim adds a supercharger to the same engine, increasing output to 295 horsepower while incorporating a 48-volt hybrid system for enhanced fuel economy. At the top of the lineup, the plug-in hybrid model delivers an impressive 455 horsepower and can drive up to 33 miles on electric power alone, perfect for reducing emissions without sacrificing performance. Step inside, and you're welcomed by Scandinavian luxury at its finest. The cabin features high-end materials like open-pore wood and premium leather, creating an ambiance of sophistication and comfort. While the ride might feel a bit firm, especially with the larger 22-inch wheels, the overall experience remains smooth and composed. With a spacious layout accommodating up to 7 passengers, the XC90 ensures comfort for the whole family. However, keep in mind that the third row might feel a little tight for adults. From performance and efficiency to luxury and design, the 2025 Volvo XC90 continues to set the standard for premium SUVs. What do you think about this stunning ride? Let us know in the comments.